Dairy farm practices. The objective of good dairy farming practice is the on farm production of safe, quality milk from healthy animals under generally acceptable conditions. To achieve this end, dairy producers need to apply good cultural practice in the area of animal health. Poor animal health is one of the principal constraints to increasing small scale dairy productivity as it results in high morbidity, suffering from disease, and low production. Overcoming this constraint could significantly improve productivity and result in real and direct benefits for producers. Good dairy farming practices for animal health are establishing the herd with resistance to disease, preventing the entry of disease onto the farm, establishing effective herd health management, and using all chemicals and veterinary medicines as directed. Thank you very much.